If you accidentally deleted your Chrome history, don't worry just yet. There are a couple of ways you may still be able to recover it, and in this video, I'll walk you through the best options step by step. This is especially useful if you were trying to find an important website, a document, or a page you visited recently, and now it seems like the history is gone. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. The first and best place to check is Google My Activity. This gives you the highest chance of finding your browsing history, especially if Chrome Sync or web activity tracking was turned on. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar and type myactivity.google.com, then press enter. This will take you to Google's activity page. Now sign in with the same Google account that you use in Chrome. Make sure it is the correct account because your activity history will only appear if you're logged into the account that was being used when you browsed the web. After signing in, Google may show a timeline of your activity, including websites you visited, searches you made, and sometimes even pages you opened in Chrome. If your browsing activity was being saved, you should see records here that can help you recover the information you lost. You can use the search bar on the My Activity page to look for a website name, keyword, or date. This makes it much easier to narrow down the results and find the page you were looking for. If you see the site you need, click it to revisit the page or copy the URL for later. This is often the easiest and most reliable way to recover deleted Chrome history, so it's definitely the first thing you should try. Now, if My Activity doesn't show what you need, there's another option you can check, and that is your DNS cache. This method is temporary, but it can help you see recently visited domains that are still stored on your PC. Keep in mind, this only works if your computer has not restarted recently, because a restart usually clears the cache. To check the DNS cache, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Open it, and if needed, run it as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/displaydens, then press Enter. After a moment, Windows will display a list of recently resolved domain names. What you're looking for here are website domains that may match the sites you visited before your history was deleted. This won't always show the full page path, but it can still help you identify the website you were on. If you see a domain you recognize, you can use it to go back to that website and continue where you left off. It's important to understand the limitation here. DNS cache is not a full browsing history replacement. It only stores recent domain lookups, and it may not show every site. But if you just need a quick clue or reminder of a site you visited recently, it can be very helpful. So to recap, your best chance is Google My Activity, especially if Chrome Sync or web activity was enabled. If that doesn't help, try the DNS cache using Command Prompt, but remember that it only works for a short time and may disappear after a restart. Between these two methods, you have a good chance of finding at least some of your deleted browsing history. If this tutorial helped you recover your Chrome history, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy computer tips, browser fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.